bronze-winged jacana is a waiter in the family Jacanidae. It forages on lilies and other floating aquatic vegetation, the long feet spreading out its weight and preventing sinking. The western swamphen is a swamphen in the rail family Rallidae, one of the 6 species of purple swamphen. From the French name Talvi sultan, it is also known as the sultana bird. This chicken-sized bird, with its large feet, bright plumage and red bill, and frontal shield is easily recognizable in its native range.